can still do everything.
Oh, okay. I was just like, let me make sure I'm attentive here.
Yeah, because they're gonna look at it like, wow, what is that?
Right.
What's that
I'm
red?
wondering what it is too. I'm
What is
like,
that red stuff?
ooh.
What is going on?
And it
It's just
smells good.
it's just dragon's blood.
Oh my gosh. What do you make that? You don't even tell me about this stuff. Man, what is going
Because I gotta
on?
put it out there. I really gotta
Can you please
sit
put it out there
down
so I can
and
buy some? Because this thing smells
it smells
good.
good, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Dragon's blood.
I have dragon's blood oil at home, but
Nice.
I've never made any, that's not my thing.
Well, I just use a three blend, so ylang ylang,
Mm-hmm.
neroli, and geranium. Geranium would normally not go with ylang ylang, but when you put neroli with it, those oils when they blend together, it's like a spicier blend. It's like, oh, I learned that from an Indian smoke shop. Like, that's what you put in it. You know when they smoke hashish?
Yes,
I didn't know
yeah.
what hashish was, and the guy was trying. He's
Right.
like, "Oh, my friend, you do it this way. You put this in here." And they were talking about they really know about hookah. We think we know about hookah. They've been doing that since.
They started that stuff, though.
Right.
Yeah, they are like the head of it.
Exactly. So we thought we knew about something like, they know about blending the herbs, and then I put a little bit of saffron, which gives it its red color.
Okay.
And so the dragon's blood.
See, this is why you need to just sell it.
Yeah, and dragon's blood, it does come from a sap. It does come from a tree. And it is really, really red. It's like a dark red. And there's nothing about a dragon being slaughtered. Because some people think that, no. Because even I was like that at first. Like, so what happened to the dragon? Are they okay? Like, why would we just, put dragon's blood on our face? Like, no. The dragon, back in the day, its blood was very mystical or magical. To where it healed people. That's why people always wanted to kill a dragon. They always wanted to live the vitality of a dragon.
Yes.
Dragons' lives were actually very long before we came, before we mucked it up or.
Yes.
They was living their best lives, and then all of a sudden we come and try to kill the dragon, and we drink the blood, we get special powers and all types of stuff. Almost like Game of Thrones, where they were always trying to kill Khaleesi's dragons, because dragons can wipe out a whole army with just fire.
But see, I'd be all into that stuff because I believe that's really like, you know what I mean? Like how they were doing in that time.
That's correct, yeah. Because they were remember, people are so fearful of the stuff that they don't understand or the unknown to them. Like black folks, people are so scared of us. They don't even want to park their car next to us. When I go to Virginia, if I'm parking and they park next to me, they'll pull away and then pull it to another parking lot next to it. I'm like, you do know I'm sitting right here. I'm not going to hurt you.
Right.
I don't have time to be going to jail for really. And I be in my white uniform, or scrubs. They still don't care. So some people just fear don't know, and they know it's nothing to fear, but that's just how they were raised.
Right.
They're so programmed into
yep,
thinking,
that's what it is.
this is how they are. Oh my God, he's gonna come in here and rob me and rape me and shoot me. And like, you think we all carry guns?
Listen, but that's what they really think.
Yeah.
It's no joke about that. Like they really think that.
That's
and it's
correct.
crazy because it's like, no, ain't nobody doing all that.
No, we're not. It's gonna be a little cold, sorry about that.
Okay. It's okay. Told you, I'm here for it.
Now, dragon's blood does turn the bristles a little pink, but it will go away and wash it off. Now, turmeric, like you said, turmeric. Yeah,
That turmeric was real. I was like, oh my gosh. And it was so funny because I was like, I wanted to call you so bad. And I was like, they're going to be like, if she don't leave me the hell alone. And I was sitting there like, oh, was I supposed to do that?
Yeah, it stains real good. But then it's very powerful agent into antimicrobial, antibacterial, antifungal. Turmeric kills a lot of shit that needs to be killed, and it's kind of messy.
Oh my God, this brush feels so good.
Yeah, the same brush. Yeah,
This the same brush I got? What? Oh my goodness, this thing feels good.
Yeah, brush is a piece. Does a little work for you.
My mother wanted me to shave her mustache. I was like, first of all, I got to find the equipment for it because I don't know which one it is. Because I was telling her, I'm like, yeah, he has something that takes the skin off your face or something. I mean, not the skin, the hair off your face.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do today. It's going to be and you don't have mustache, trust me. You have little small hairs. We all have hairs. And I know it goes over the eyebrows and eyelids, especially up the lids, but it's not going to go into the brush and clip them up and nothing like that. But it feels like you're doing it. It's like, wait a minute, what are you doing? You're kind of close.
I don't know. I just know. I think it's about time for these things. Because this is only my second time wearing lashes, right? I went to this, my friend of mine had this Dress to Impress event like a couple weeks ago. So I was like, let me just try it and see. Oh my gosh. As soon as the lady put the lashes on, I felt like I couldn't see. I was like, what the hell? So that was my first little one with lashes. And it wasn't bad. So I said, whenever they fall off, maybe sometime later on in time, I'll get another pair. But
Right.
alright. I haven't heard that song in a long time. Jordan Porgy.
Hey.
Right.
Back in the day.
I remember MC Light had that version. Oh my goodness. It sure was.
Highly underrated. Even to make it.
Yes.
She did have a light skin in this going for it, but still.
She was highly underrated. I think if she would have taken that same route like Queen Latifah and jumped in movies and stuff, she probably would have got a little bit more recognition, but she's definitely underrated.
Well, she did later on. She did,
what movie was she in?
It was a TV show about the cartels.
Was she?
It's a good show. Queen of the South.
Oh, see, I didn't see that one.
Yeah, she was like in season 3, but then season 3 started getting kind of weird. It got too hood, like too messy. I'm like, wait a minute, come on now. You went from here trying to get out of the game. Now you really want to kill people. Like she turned literally into what she was trying to escape from.
Oh man.
And actually worse. I'm like, so really? We voted rooting for you the first 1 or 2 seasons. Family got taken out, friends got, and now you turn back into the and now you doing the most. Like you really killing a lot of people who don't even have nothing to do with it. Like she got power, like super power hungry. I'm like, okay.
Oh man, see, I gotta check that out.
And it probably does happen in real life. Like you know, you get so high.
Now it's like, let me go back. Let me go back. But I'm gonna have to check. I don't even think I've seen Queen of the South. Did she do good with her role?
Yeah. I'll say Quincy. I didn't think about her. Yeah, she did good. Her and the dude from The Wire.
Was it Big G?
Nah,
not him.
There was another dude that he played. What was his name? Not Omar. Oh man, come on.
I know who you're talking about. Yeah, the dark skinned dude.
Yeah. Yeah, he played another kind of like Marlo type character.
Yeah, I think I know who you're talking about. Yeah. I gotta check him out. Because I did not see that.
It's pretty good. So I'm just gonna clean up the eyebrows and the eyelids. Very gentle.
That's Derek Benet, okay. I didn't even know. That smells good too.
Yeah, that's same.
That was the same thing. Yeah, I don't know why it smelled like it just caught me like a new smell. Yeah.
Well, aromatherapy is very, very powerful. You know, it's strong as I don't know what. Like as long as you add in like just 5 drops, you actually got a potent mix. Some people are like, oh my god, I gotta add in 10. Like, you can. It'll be super, super strong, but aromatherapy, you really only need a couple drops.